In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know about creating JS items in Sites Done Right. So if you have a bit of additional JS or custom JavaScript that you'd like to use on specific pages or even globally across your website, you can create it in this way. To create a new JS item or snippet, you can either use the Quick Create button by hovering over the plus symbol and clicking on JS item, or alternatively you can find this in the sidebar menu by going to Developer and then clicking on JS items. On this screen, you'll be able to click to add a new JS item. Once this screen has loaded for your new JS item, you'll be able to add a system title, which is only visible to you as an admin and makes it easier to find these snippets within your site. Next up, you can get a walkthrough of building a new JS snippet or item by clicking on the quick tour icon, or alternatively, you can get additional help by clicking on the View Help icon. The quick tour icon is especially useful as it will dynamically walk you around creating your JS item step by step. So let's do that now. First off, we'll get a description around what the custom JavaScript block is there to do. And secondly, you have a space to add your custom JavaScript. You'll note that our system will automatically add the script tags for you, and our syntax highlighter built into the platform will help you to validate your code as you go along. Lastly, you can save your changes by either saving this snippet as a draft or publishing the change so that it can be used within pages on your website, or even globally across the site by attaching it within the Developer, Global CSS and JS page.